In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website name on Squarespace. If you want to update the name of your site so it displays the way you want in your header, Squarespace makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, go to your Squarespace website editor and open the area where your site settings and design options are available. From there, head to your site header and click Edit Site Header. This is the section that controls how your website's header appears, including elements like your site title, logo, and navigation. If you're not sure whether you're in the right place, look for the top section of your website preview, since that's typically where the header settings are managed. Once the header editor is open, click on your current title. This selects the website name that is currently being displayed in the header. In many Squarespace templates, the site title is directly clickable, so selecting it helps bring up the options related specifically to that text. Take your time here and make sure you've selected the title itself rather than another header element, especially if your header includes multiple items. After that, click the pencil icon to edit. This icon usually means you're about to modify the selected element, and in this case, it opens the settings for your site title. If you don't see the edit option immediately, make sure the title is still selected because the pencil icon is often tied to the active element you clicked just before. Now go ahead and edit the site title. Replace the existing website name with the new one you want to use. As you type, keep in mind that your site title should be clear, recognizable, and consistent with your branding. If your website name is long, it may take up more space in the header, so it's a good idea to glance at the preview and make sure everything still looks balanced and easy to read. Once you've finished updating the title, review the change in the live preview area to confirm that the new name appears correctly. This helps you catch any spacing or formatting issues before moving on. If everything looks good, your website name has successfully been updated in Squarespace. That's all it takes to change your website name on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.